Check out this new 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Silverado 2500 HD boasts a 6.0-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses diesel. Additional options for this vehicle include the light titanium, dark titanium, leather-appointed front seat trim, seats, front bucket seats, front 40/20/40 split bench, 3-passenger, driver and front passenger manual reclining, GVWR, 10,000 pounds, 4536 kilograms, emissions, federal requirements, rear axle, 3.73 ratio, convenience package, custom sport truck package, wheels, 17 inches, 43.2 centimeters, machined aluminum, rear vision camera in the suspension package, off-road. Call 888-817-5744 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.